FIFINE sent me this Profile 3 cardioid mic for my review, and this thing is really, really cool. Now, I am going to do the entire video with the mic on. So it is on as we speak. As you can tell, it is extremely on. Now, I'm hooked up straight into the mic, so I'm not going through an external kind of I/O. I'm not going through any type of effect. It is straight from the USB-C of the mic straight into a USB-A input in my computer, and I am recording it straight live. No effects, no playing around with the levels, the decibels, any of that, right? So that's important to know. Let's talk about the actual composition of this mic. So I'm going to do this right now so we can see a little bit better. I am hooked up. USB-C is under the mic, right under the mic. And the headphone is also right under the mic as well. So the headphones are on. I can hear myself. I've got a little knob, and I'm going to show it to you right here, actually. Let's do this like that. I've got a little knob right there that controls my headphone level. So if I turn it completely off, I don't hear myself at all. And now I am bringing it all the way up, and I can hear myself. Same thing with this. This is the microphone level. So of course, I can bring it and all the way up. Obviously, when I was down, you couldn't hear a thing. Right now, I'm about, let's put it, we're about 70%, 75% up there. So that just gives you an idea of what we're talking about here. Now, I'm seeing different things here. So there are 4 panels. The whole thing is metal, which is a really nice thing. I want to see if there's a difference. Oh, is there ever a difference in that sound? This is the way you would want to talk onto this mic. I'm going to be very careful here. There is a mute button. So the mute button is right here. So if I press on this, it would actually... And we're back on. Now, you could hear me speak, obviously, properly from the side and also from the back, but it's a different kind of, you have more echo because it's not supposed to be, it's kind of a unidirectional. Now, yes, they could say this is omnidirectional because there are 4 panels, but clearly, when you are set up like this, now we're really talking about voiceover, singing. This has a lot of dynamics, which I really, really enjoy, which I really like. It is a gorgeous mic. It is a really, really nice looking mic. Love the fact that it does come with the stand. The stand is metal as well. It is a sturdy stand, and you could play with, and I'm going to do this right now. I could actually bring it on a kind of a flatter angle, more towards my voice, maybe something like that. I'm not going to do this right now because I would have to unplug it to do it. That's probably the only thing that I would have to say that's kind of like a weird design, is that once I'm plugged into the USB-C, obviously to power it and to send my audio, I can't really play with the angle except if I want to go down this way, right? So that's one thing to kind of note, but this mic sounds fantastic. It is extremely sensitive, so you got to be careful because it is sensitive all the way down to its base. But of course, if you're recording professionally and you want something that's going to be very clean, FIFINE does a fantastic job. As you could probably tell, I do have another FIFINE mic right here that I really, really love and I use all the time. But this time, I'm thinking this might replace my AM6 that I had here from FIFINE. This thing is nice. This thing is very, very clean. I can hear myself beautifully. I hope it renders well on your end. But yeah, just the fact that this thing is metal, this thing is a cardioid mic. It does have a low cut button right under for low cut to cut out the whatever frequencies you want to cut out, obviously the low frequencies. I think that's a great little button to have. It doesn't have any noise reduction, no NR button, but I don't think it's needed in this case. I've got a lot of noise. I've got an AC going on around me. I've got a fan right above me that's running the light, the kind of softbox that I have over me. So There's some ambient noise here, and I'm pretty sure you can barely hear it, which is a great thing. Again, I have not played I have not played with the tracks, with the audio track. I have not put any effects. I have not touched it in any way. This is pure raw, right out of the USB-C into the USB-A of my Mac and straight onto this video. So you tell me, does this sound good enough for you? I bet it does.